Hey everyone, welcome to Simply Finance. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can redeem or use your Genshin Impact gift card online. In order to redeem or use your Genshin Impact gift card online, first thing you need to make sure that you already have a Genshin Impact account, and after that you also need to check your internet connection. In order to do so, you need to open up your web browser. Use any web browser that is convenient for you. As you open up your web browser, on the search box type in the link that is account.hoyover.com, and I'll also make sure to leave the link on my description box below. Once you type in the link, you'll be taken to the login interface where you need to enter in your login credential. That includes entering your email address or your password or login using your social medias. Since I've created my account using my email address and a password, so then I need to type in the following information. If you're unable to find this kind of interface, then you need to go to the link that is genshin.hoyover.com. I'll make sure to leave the link on my description box below. Once you type in the link, you'll be taken to the home page, and right on top you'll be able to see the list of options. So you need to click on this option that is more, and as soon as you click on it, a drop down menu appears, and from the list you need to click on redeem code, which is right at the bottom. After that, you'll be taken to the page where you need to provide in the code information or the gift card number. So first thing you need to do is you need to select the servers, so then select it accordingly from the list, and after that you need to enter in your character name, and on the last interface you need to enter in your redemption code, which means you need to enter in the gift number that might be located on the card or on your email through which you have received your gift card. So once you've done entering your information, click on redeem, and if the information provided is correct, you have successfully redeemed or used your gift card online. In this way you can redeem or use your Genshin Impact gift card. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.